So now I've created the shortcut to accessibility on the screen. You'll see the icon. You can actually move that to different parts of the side of the screen. If you did find it was actually getting in the way, you can actually just drop it onto the X there. That will actually completely remove it. What I'm now going to show you is the display text and size. So if I simply click on the button, and you'll see it's opened one of the menus, and I'm going to go into the accessibility settings. Now within accessibility settings, I'm going to go into display size and text, and you're going to see there's a series of things to choose from. So first of all, I'm going to switch bold off. So you'll see here, by switching bold on and off, you can see that the font becomes bold. You can also change the contrast of the text. So you can see that the contrast there is changing across the whole screen. And then you can enlarge font size. You'll see this is the largest font size available, and then the display size as well. So you can see that the display. So this is a preview of what you're going to see. That's just one of the elements of the accessibility functions on the Emporia smartphone.